U-Neek Souvenirs is a must-visit destination for tourists seeking to capture the spirit of cows through unique memorabilia. This charming souvenir store is filled with a diverse array of handcrafted items and local artworks showcasing the vibrant culture and creativity of the region. From quirky trinkets to elegant keepsakes, visitors will find the perfect gifts to remind them of their Australian adventure. The store is designed to create a welcoming atmosphere, inviting you to explore its treasures at your leisure. The knowledgeable staff are always on hand to offer recommendations and share stories about the local artisans who create the products. Whether you're looking for a special gift for a loved one or a unique item to commemorate your trip, U-Neek Souvenirs has something for everyone. The store's collection includes everything from traditional Australian souvenirs to contemporary designs that reflect the area's natural beauty. With its convenient opening hours from 9:30 a.m. to 9 p.m., U-Neek Souvenirs is easily accessible for tourists exploring the scenic cows area. Make sure to take your time wandering through the aisles and discovering the perfect piece that captures the essence of your visit to this beautiful coastal town. Don't miss out on the chance to bring home a piece of cows that you'll cherish for years to come. Local tips. 1. Visit during weekdays for a quieter shopping experience and personalized service. 2. Ask about local artists featured in the store to gain insight into the region's culture. 3. Check for seasonal promotions or special items, especially during holidays. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.